Everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic kitchen. In this quick video I'm going to talk you through what you need to do in order to use the grill cooking mode on the NN-CD88 microwave here. If you don't know about this microwave, it's one of our most popular models. It comes with its own air fry function. We're really proud of it. If you want any more information about it, head to our online store links that are in the description below the video, and you can purchase direct from Panasonic. So when it comes to grill mode, we're going to use in this example just a plain piece of white bread and some grated cheese here. We're going to do cheese on toast and hopefully it's going to work out really nicely. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up grill mode on the microwave, and to do that you just need to press the grill button on the control panel. Once you press it once, you'll notice that the display changes to grill 3. That's the mode we're going to use. That's the highest grill mode. There's two other modes, grill 2 and 1. We're going to use 3 for the purposes of this. And for the first cook, you just want to rotate the dial to 2 minutes. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to grill the bread for 2 minutes on one side, and then we're going to add the cheese once we've flipped the bread over, and cook it again for another 2 minutes to get that perfect cheese on toast. So we've got the wire rack already in the microwave. We're just going to add now the enamel tray with the toast, with the bread on top. Close the door, and we're nice and happy. We've selected 2 minutes. We're just going to press in the dial, and that's going to start. And I'll see you in a couple of minutes. And once that's done, the microwave will start beeping to let you know that it's finished. Let's have a look at how our toast is getting on. Obviously everything's going to be very hot, so do be careful with this when you take out the enamel tray. So in the end we added a few more minutes to this. It needed 4 minutes on that side. We're now just flipping that over, and we're going to grill the other side for another 4 minutes. But before we do that, we're going to add some grated cheese to our toast slice to make sure we get a really nice cheese toasty. I'm going to try and do it as evenly as possible. There we've got nice coverage. There we go. And then lift this back up. Pop it back into the microwave nice and carefully. Get that to sit on the wire tray there. Close the door, and then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to press grill mode, leave it on grill 3, and this time we're going to select 4 minutes. Once we're happy with that, press the dial in, and it's going to start. And we'll see you in 4 minutes. And once that's done, you'll hear the beep again, and our cheese on toast should hopefully be ready. So let's open the door and have a look. Carefully grab the tray out again, and looking pretty good. We've got some nicely melted cheese on there. Just going to place that down like that, and you can, if you want to be fancy, sprinkle a little bit of fresh chives on top just to help, but that looks good to me. So there you go, that's the cheese on toast using the grill cooking mode on the NN-CD88. Again, if you want more information about this microwave, check out our online store now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.